Hey guys, my name's Neil, aka tezamp, and today we're going for another video. This is the horn blast, right? And I'm going to be showing you how to recreate it from scratch. It's very, very simple, and I'm also going to be explaining it as I go, right? So let's start. So I'm going to be making it all from scratch, just an FYI, and so here's what it's supposed to sound like alone. And we could easily mod this down so I can be like, wait, probably halfway. Eh. Let's go a little bit like that. And I mean, we could just keep it full too, and it shouldn't matter. But you can play with this at the very end. But here's what it sounds like on an actual track that I just put together 2 seconds ago. Yeah, I got a cough, but it's a very good, you know, intro kind of sound. So if you want to, like, you know, go for like one of those metal kind of dubsteps, it's probably good, or you know, space kind of themed, or whatever you want to do, right? It's all up to you. You're the producer. So let me show you how to make the sound. Come here, new sound. Let's say we're going to put this on flangers, right? So if I play the sound right now. Yeah, I hate FL Studio with the lag on most of the VSTs. So reloading. So this is what it sounds like by default, right? And we just changed the oscillator, and I also created a very new sound for it. So the first thing I'm going to do is drop this down to -36. Yes, I know there's a faster way to do it. Come here, but okay, so we got that on -36 now, right? So okay, so the next thing what we're going to do is drop this wave position all the way down. There's a reason for that, and you're going to see why. We're also going to start creating this while we're setting all this up. So the amp, intensity, all that stuff, we're going to leave that for now. We're going to come to the next oscillator, set that up too while we're at it. Let's see, we got these. Yeah, I want you to do sine square, right? Wave table has to be all the way down. Amp 50%. Probably set the amp here for 60% right about now. Keeping up the intensities. So one's here, right? Then, actually, let's move this here. Okay, might not remember the exact steps, but I'll give you close enough. So what I'm going to do is, let's create the sounds right now, right? So let's come to envelope 2, right? Come here, drop the attack. Let's see what else. Drop the level, right? Don't touch the decay. Pop this onto here. Yeah. Actually, no. Let me remove this for now. You're gonna pop this onto the wave position. Raise it up all the way. Same with the amp. Drop it here. Amp, you know, so wave. You're just dropping an LFO here, and you're dropping an LFO here. Drag it all the way till about here. You don't want to go all the way. Go close enough. So that's step 1. Now we should be pretty much done using this second envelope. Come to the third one, right here. So you've already used your second, you're moving to the third. Drop the attack all the way down. Level all the way down. Decay, you're going to change it to probably, let's say the 45 angle, right? Drag this onto here. So this time we're using the 3. And then drag it all the way up. I would say about, I'm going to put it at 58, right? Same with, drag the 3 onto the amp, all the way up. Let's see how it sounds right now. 1 second. So that's what it currently sounds right now, but okay, let's see, what else? Come here, drag this onto here. I feel like I'm missing something, but I'm not sure yet. Drag it all the way up to about 40-ish something, probably 46. And then we definitely need a reverb, right? Set this up. So reverb, right? Increase the dry wet a little bit. Increase the density all the way up. Increase the size a little. No, I decrease the size a little bit. Come here. What was the one that we used? I think it was banner tube. Up a little bit. Increase the drive all the way up. Come here, S. You want the sine shaper. Drive up. Okay, so ta-da! There you go, there's the sound. And the fact that I'm able to do this by heart says a lot, right? You could add other stuff too, but I think there's a little bit too much reverb, so drop the size a little bit. Yeah. Well, you can pretty much play with this, but it's pretty much self-explanatory. So let me play it from the actual thing. I feel like we're missing something still. Okay, maybe if we drop this oscillator to -36. It's just a hypothetical guess. There we go. Yeah, so the answer was to drop this pitch to -36. Okay, so hopefully you learned something, and now you know how to make that sound, that horn blast sound, and it's very, very simple. And if you have any questions on why I did whatever, just make a comment. Thanks, and bye.